Hello, this is an unboxing video for manufacturer number 491BKS. This is by Buck Knives. This is an Ergo Hunter Waterfowler Avid fixed blade knife. It's made in the USA. Your blade length is 2.5 inches. It's black, heavy duty nylon sheath comes along with it. It's a fixed blade. I'm going to go ahead and take it out so you can get a better look. Here you have a little information, just a tiny little message that comes from Buck Knives, and then your warranty information. As you can see, the sheath right here says Buck. Now your handle is an alcrine rubber, it's black. Some people will pronounce that alcrine.